Hello guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to do the percentile. Percentile are really confusing, so we're going to start doing one of the problem will say use the data set about the content levels of smokers below the answers of the following question. You may assume that the mean of the data is, so Axel tells us it's 72.5. Okay, and the standard deviation is 11.9.5. And okay, stored in the content level. Okay, we have 40 smokers, 40 numbers. Okay, I'm gonna just call them 0, 1, 1, 3, 17, 32, 35, 44, 48, 86, 87, 103, 112, 121, 123, 130, 131, 149, 164, 167, 173, 173, 198, 208, 210, 222, 227, 234, 245, 250, 253, 265, 266, 277, 284, 289, 290, 313, 313, 477, 491. These numbers, just write them down. Go to the calculator, press stat, go under edit, clear the line by pressing clear and enter, and then just write the data inside the table. After you're done, press stat again. Go to calc, move from edit to calc, and go to the first one, press 1, the one bar stat, press enter, and then after you press this, press second one, give you L1. This L1 indicates that those numbers I'm doing this equation for L1 only. So you press L1, second one, which is 1, there's an L1 above the 1, and then you're done, it gives you the equation. This equation will give you the mean and the standard deviation. That's how we do it, but we skip that step, and the problem gives us right away the answer. So find the value at the 33 percentile. Okay, so 33 third percentile. What you should do is 33 means it's percentage. We have 33% third percentile. Okay. Okay. So 33 means when they give you 33rd percentile means 0.33 times how many numbers we have? 40. It gives us number is equal up to 13.2. So it's about 14. You go above the number 14. So higher. So the number is 14, which is you go from the bottom list. So how you go is from the list. You have to sort the list by a descending order. Descending goes from the higher number to the lower number. So you go to stat, edit, sort, number 3, sort D, which is descending. Okay, and then you put L1, and then you close the parentheses, enter, and it tells you it's done. It did the work for you. So you go stat, edit, and then you have them in descending order, the numbers. So you go to so you shift the highlighted arrow, you shift it to the bottom, and then you go your way up. You start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14. Once you hit 14, that number you just write it down. So I get 121. So the number should be 121. Okay? That's the answer. Find the value of at the 70th percentile. So 75. Now we're trying to find the 75 percentile. So we got the percentage. So always percentage is times 100. So we have to divide it by 100. So it gives us 2. Well, we got 75 over 100. That what I mean percentile. So it's 0.77 times 40. Okay, and it give us it gave me number 30. Number 30. Okay, I'm just gonna try 0.75 times 40. It gives me 30. Okay, and then you go at the bottom I just want to check something, because if you get a whole number, I think you go to the next number. That's how it goes. So okay. Compute the percentile rank of the data point, find the value at the percentile, percent times total, okay, and count from the below to the number, take that number and then move them up, okay, data point, interpret, regression line, okay, and okay, yeah, when the number it's not a whole number, you don't take 30, which you take 31. I'm not sure about this thing, but I remember, but I don't have it in my worksheet saying, oh no, you take the number above it. Yeah, you take the number above it. So if you have 30, a whole number, when you multiply those numbers, so you take that 31. Okay, so you find 30 and you find 31 also, okay, and then those numbers you add up together and then you divide them by 2, and this number it give you the whole the right number. So 30. So you go to from the bottom up, you count up to 30. Once you hit 30, you look at the number above it. Okay, this number above it also in the calculator, you take it also. This number plus the number next under it, divided by 2, you find the average. So divided by 2, they give you the average number. Okay? Okay, what is the percentile? Now we're finding the percentile. First we're trying to find the value. Now we have to find the opposite, the percentile. Okay, what is the percentile? Okay? Rank of the data point 250. We got 250. What should you do? Okay? 250, you go to number 250 in your step. Find number 250. You start counting to down. So from this number you start counting, or you can start what should you do is you can start counting from this number to the bottom, or you can start scroll down and then you start counting until you get to 250, and then you take the number, how many numbers you counted. So we're trying to find, okay, we got 0.75, okay, and we got 40, okay. We're trying to find, no, we don't have this number. We're trying to find this number. To find this number, you have to do the opposite. Remember when we went down, and then this number give you how many times you went down, or from down to up. So how to this number to 250, okay? Okay, 250. Okay, you get 29 numbers to get to 250, okay? Over what? Over 40, okay? Because we're trying to find the percentile. So this divided by this, it give you what? Because since you have when you have this number 29 and you have x right here, what you do is divide. You just don't never algebra, so you divide it, okay? So 29 over 40, it gives me 72.5 percentile, okay, or 73 percentile, okay. So I'm gonna do this again. It tells me 250, okay, and the number is 250, the value, and what I should do is scroll from down until I get 250. The number I get is x 40. That's the total numbers equal. How many numbers I found? It's 20 numbers to get to 40. Then divide this by 40. Divide by 40, sorry. And then x equal 72.75 percentile. So that's the right answer. What is the percentile rank of the data point 173? So we do the same thing. We go up down to 173. How many numbers do you get? This number divided by 40, and then you get the percentile. Find the first, second, and third quartiles, the interquartiles range, and the producer box, and the whisker of the data. What for this one is, what you do is 40, divide 40 by 4. So 40 divided by 4, it give me 10. Okay, 10. So each number, if we count down to 10, you take this number, count 10, this number, 10 to this number, and these are the quarters. Okay, these are called quarter numbers. And you have to find the 1 and 2, 3. So you have to just take 3 numbers. So start from the so 25, 50, and 75. The interquarter range produce a box and the whisker flow of the data. Okay, we're not gonna do that. So okay, this is done. Thank you for watching. Just that's about the percentile. So I'm gonna go over early. Okay, when they give you the value and then they give you the total numbers, this times together, it gives me the number, how many numbers I'm gonna count. So this number you just count. If you have a whole number, remember, if you have a whole number, just take just count from the number you got, okay, and then count the number above it, add them together and divide them, which is you get the average, okay? And because it's not what it means is it's not the whole number. It's like in statistic, we don't have accurate numbers. So if you have a whole number, it's not accurate. So they don't have whole number. So you have to take the above number. There's restrictions on it. And the other one, if you have a percentile, you're trying to find percentile, unknown is a percentile. So they give you the value, the number, okay, and they give you how many numbers altogether. So what you do is, you have to have the numbers in. You go to stat, edit, and then you start counting counting from bottom to the number they gave you. How many numbers you get? This number you divide it by the total numbers of the data points, and it gives you the percentile. That's all. It's really easy. Just you have to memorize the steps. Okay. I hope I helped you with them. I didn't get you confused. Thank you.